Welcome to Pydle Day 57. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. So if you're a fan of games like Wordle, but you would like a coding challenge, then come to pydle.net and play a daily puzzle game. It should be quite quick. If you're experienced in Python programming, if you're learning, then come to this channel and just watch some videos how to play Pydle. Today's Pydle is the Greek psi symbol. So have a go at solving that. Now, yesterday's Pydle was a battery terminals, the red plus and the black minus. So I'm not going to be very creative in my solution for this. If you think of a better way, just put it in the comments. So let's do for just a loop I in range 25. So that is just the 25 pixels of our 5x5 grid. And I am literally just going to specify the indexes of the red pixels. If I in, there are 2, 6, 7, and 8, and 12. Normally I don't like solving Pydles like that, but I'm going to do it for this one. And then we need Pydle I modulus 5, I integer division 5. And that needs to be red. Okay, let's see if that worked. There's our red plus. Now for the white pixels, so if you just did an else and copy that one, we'd end up with it all white. So we need an else if. Okay, so we can say else if I less than whatever this pixel is, or I greater than whatever this pixel is. But I really like Python's chaining comparison, so I want to basically do not, and then the range for the black pixel. So that is just going to be the inverse of that. So 20 less than I less than 24, and the not is kind of just going to reverse that. Okay, and that solves the Pydle. So if you haven't solved this one yet and you want to click along, just do it yourself based on this video, or come up with a more elegant solution for the plus. And then have a go at solving today's Pydle. I'll see you again tomorrow with the solution.